Hi everybody and welcome back to another quick video update. I just wanted to give a kind of update to this sliding moving tower thing that I put up in the last video, because I had a couple of comments from people saying that they thought that it maybe wasn't stable enough, and I've done a couple of things to rectify that. So the first thing I did was I've widened this tower here. So before, these two wheels were here and here, which of course meant that this had no, if you like, side support, so there's nothing stopping this wobbling and falling over left to right, and so I just made this twice as wide. I've also just added the tower. Of course, it's not actually as high as I think maybe people thought it was going to be. So it's only what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red rods high. It doesn't actually need to be very high at all because well, there's a couple of space constraints to start with, and I don't really need it to be that high at all. It's just mainly to connect up the two towers, the left side and the right side. There's also going to be stuff going from the top of this over to there anyway, so a fixed piece. So there's very little reason for this to be actually that high. The other side of this has got a little, I don't think you can see, it's a little path going through it now. So this will allow the balls to go from the distribution network that's over there through this tower to that place there. I also realised there was no reason to have this on this side, so when it's in this position like so, there's no reason whatsoever to have a kind of entrance path, because when the ball machine's in operation, this will always be extended. Another little thing I added was these little things here to stop it moving sideways, so it kind of straightens it up as it's getting pushed back in, to stop it jumping out of its little runners. And then of course on the back over there, there's kind of another, I don't know what you call it, like another set of runners right at the back, which stops. It's a rest, so when the machine's in this position, it won't fall over. Which is another something that someone else pointed out. I can't put these wheels. So I can put these wheels that side because the floor's uneven. So these boards here have got the yellow tape around it. The yellow tape's not just for show; it's because these boards can't be stood on. There's nothing really underneath them to support them, and so they're actually slightly higher than the main boards. Again, so it's slightly annoying that there's some cardboard under that just to raise it up slightly. Yeah, and just to show you, this isn't actually that weak at all. So I'm just going to stick this. I've got a boxed camera stand here that I plan to use when I start filming again properly and get a decent camera. So I'm going to stick that on there and just slowly push this thing in and show that it's actually pretty stable. So if I let go of it now, you'll see it's kind of in its halfway position, so there's nothing at all supporting it. And then as soon as it goes over there, it just sits there now and it's resting in position. Yeah, seems pretty happy. I'll put it back out again. Ooh. Slowly, because obviously it's not secured at the moment at all. So that's fully out now. So there's nothing supporting this. And to be quite honest with you, I don't think it's that unstable. Of course, there's going to be a tower connecting, so this is going to go up higher, and there'll be another girder coming across to connect to this to make it all stronger. And of course, by the time you fill this thing full of elements, it's just going to get stronger and stronger, and I don't particularly think it's going to fall over left and right. Almost over. You stand up for this one. And the final thing will be is that when this tower is all the way out, and the other one, this side, is all the way out as well, they'll latch together, so they'll actually be connected to each other, so that they can't, so there's a little bit more strength between them. And also so that everything, all the powers coming out of here, line up with the old ones on this side as well. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this actually. Oh, and one last thing. I've decided how I'm going to motorise this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a chain, a gear drive down inside the wheelbase, so down in here. And I'm going to put a chain this end and a chain this end. And the chain will run all the way through, down in the gear and out the other side. And so depending on which way the gear is rotating, it will just either pull it in. So I've actually basically it's going to pull both sides. So I'm going to pull this side in, or it's going to pull the other side in. At least that's the plan anyway. So yeah, chain going all the way around. A simple motor drive should do the trick. So yeah, a little bit longer video than usual, but hopefully that gives you some more, the viewers some more clarification on this thing. Again, I don't know how stable it'll be when it's fully finished, but I hope that it will be pretty stable. So yeah, thanks for all the comments. Keep them up and feel free to subscribe and leave a comment for any other comments. Cool, thank you very much.